Bro, I had an A plus setup this morning. An A plus setup. I got in on a good entry. I knew exactly what it was gonna do, and I still ended the day red. What the freak did I do? I'm not even gonna lie. Look at me. Look at me. I look tired as heck, bro. I've been grinding, but I need to catch up on some sleep. But honestly, bro, I've been trading gold for the past 2 weeks, and I love it. I love trading gold. I was trading it in the Asia session, blah, blah, blah. In the Asia session, the past 2 weeks, because I started a new position at work, and the way that I was doing it before I got this promotion was I was able to navigate my schedule so that I was free from like 8:30 to 9:30 when the New York session opens in Texas. But the past 2 weeks, past 2 3 weeks, I've been training, so it's been hard for me to keep up with trades and everything like that during the New York session, obviously. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try the Asia market, the Asia session, and I like it. It's just really slow, but I've gotten to a position again to where I can navigate my schedule again and trade the New York session. So I've been trading gold, and I was like, you know what? The past 2 days I've been trading it in the New York session, and I've been doing pretty good. But let me tell you what happened this morning. So this is gold, gold futures. This is Sunday. Yesterday I woke up, or yesterday when I got off work, I was like, okay, you know what? The market open. I feel like it's just gonna retest this high, and then let's see what it does Monday. So I got in a long right here. I got in like about 4.353. I remember, and I just kind of closed break even because it was slow, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this. Like it's Sunday, and I'm just gonna wait till Monday. I woke up and it was right here, and it just kept kissing this line, this high, and I played it Friday. Look, I set the line, and I got in this short. Played it really good, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna do the same thing today. I got in at 4.373. I remember my entry 4.373. I got in, and man, I don't know why I second guessed myself. I got in at 7:30, and I was like, okay, well, just old emotions, old things started coming up in my head. Oh, wait, this can happen, this can happen. Not being confident in my setup. And then I started getting emotional like I used to. Instead of being confident in my setup, I remembered like me losing, blowing up an account, stuff like that. And I don't know why, but I just think it was because I'm still getting used to trading gold on the New York session. So I started getting like panicky. So I got in at 473. I got in like about right here, and my goal was just to write it down. So literally, my goal was to get in right here, and I felt like I could at least catch this move, which on gold that's pretty good, you know. But I was like, you know what? I feel like it could definitely go right back here to this bottom Bollinger Band. That's exactly what it did. But let me show you what happened on the 5 minute. So on the 5 minute, I had to have gotten in like right here at 7:30. Yeah, it was like somewhere right here. And I got in, and then I was like, bro, I know it's gonna drop down. The hour looks primed for like a good drop. Even if it's just a nice little drop at the open, I know it's gonna drop. I know this is gonna pay out. I got in right here, and it started breaking up. And I was looking at the hour, but then around right here, this candle, these two candles, that's when I got on the 5 minute, and I was like, okay, it just closed above this band. I feel like it could retest and then probably get in. So I closed right here for like a $50 loss. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get in right here, and that way I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna get in a better position. But I saw it close back down, and I don't know why. So I was trading micros. I would just buy multiple contracts. I was trading micros. I got in from micros to a full gold position. So if you know, micros is like, so if you know, micros is like, I don't know, like 1/10 of what a full gold contract is. So if I buy, like if I buy two micro contracts for gold futures, every move is 20 points because it's two contracts, $10 a move, $10 a point. But on gold futures, regular gold futures, 1 point is $100, and my stop loss is at like $200. So I literally had a 2 point stop loss, which is stupid. It started dropping down, so I just switched to gold, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try to catch like a 4 point move and get out. and it just went right back up, stopped me out. I was down $200. And I was like, why the heck did I do that? I just repositioned, got in, made like, I don't know, like 150 really quick right here, closed my position, and then I was like, oh, okay, like I'm gonna get back in. And I got back in, I think like around right here, literally right here. And I was like, I know it's gonna drop down even more. I think I got in like right here, went up, stopped me out. And I ended the day like negative $300 on some stupid trades. Stuff that I haven't done in a minute. I don't even trade like that no more. But I'm just, it's just reminding me like, bro, one day can bring you back to old ways, old habits, and one day can eliminate a whole week's worth of wins, gains. Like I could have blown up my account if I would have traded gold, not put a stop loss. I could have blown up my account easily. And I don't know, man. It's just really intriguing to me that it's just really in the moment when you're winning, you don't think about losing too much. You're confident, and then you get big headed. It's just a call back to remember, like, take things slow and take setups that you believe in and let your stop loss work for you. If I would have let my stop loss work for me on my initial play, I would have gotten this move. I would have gotten the move that I wanted. I would have had probably one of my best trading days this year. Literally. That would have been like $2,000, $3,000 right there. And instead I ended the day negative 300. I ended the day red. But I shook it off. I understood where I messed up. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna journal. I'm gonna write down my emotions. I'm gonna back test. And since it's the holidays, I'm not gonna trade after this week. Next week is Christmas. I'm not trading anymore till 2026. And these next 2 weeks, when I come home from work, I'm back testing, I'm studying, and I'm learning because that's what I need to do. I need to start off 2026 on a strong note. I have an edge. I've found my edge. 2025, I found my edge. I found how to read market directions, which I didn't know how to before. I was just guessing, oh, it's going to go up, go down. Oh, it's going to go down. It went up because I was just guessing. I couldn't see where the market was going. Now I can. Now it's being confident in my setups, taking them, letting my stop loss work, letting my take profit work, and just becoming the best version of myself that I can be. This is a reflection of me. This is impulsive buying. This is impulsive um this is impulsive buying. This is not being confident. This is not trusting my abilities. And that's a reflection of me. That's why I love trading. It's a reflection of what of myself and of my life in the current moment. When I'm on fire, usually I'm confident in my life. I'm confident and I'm doing what I need to do day to day. When I'm messing up and I'm going back to old habits and old ways, what am I doing in my life? Going back to old habits and old ways. Simple. I love trading. It's a mirror and it's figuring out what I want to see when I look at the charts. What do I want to see when I look in the mirror? I want to see the best version of myself. So I hope this is an encouragement to somebody. When you lose, it's not the end of the world. Shake it off, understand where you went wrong, journal it. This is a life changer. Journal your trades. Journal your trades. Journal what you saw, why you got in, what happened, profit or loss. Man, it's a life changer. That's all I got for y'all today. This is a pretty short video. I'm going to be dropping 2 more videos this week, God willing. But let me know if y'all have any comments, any questions. I'm here to help. I'm going to keep my journey honest in this trading stuff, man. And we going to be profitable. In 2026, we going to have an amazing year in trading and investing, scaling in on real estate. I'm excited. Y'all have a great one. I'll see y'all later. Peace.